Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to test out the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. So if you want to see how this product works on my dry skin, then just keep watching. Like I said, we are going to be testing out the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I got mine from Sephora. I got it in the shade 1N00. No, Y205. I don't know which one to say. One of those. So I'm gonna pull it up on Sephora's website real quick. Looks like it retails for that was a dyslexic moment, $43. I'm just gonna read about it on their website. So it says that it's supposed to be medium coverage. It's supposed to be an undetectable liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours, powered by a micro skin system that syncs with the skin for true to skin finish. So it comes in how many shades? 40 shades, I believe. At least that's what it looks like on Sephora's website. So let's go ahead and dive in to using this foundation. I have used it for about a week now, so I do already have an opinion. I just realized it said shake before use, and I've never shook it. I do really love the packaging. Like, this is so stinking cute. This is a very, very cheap plastic lid, but I love the beige color. But then the bottle itself is actually glass. So let's go ahead and do our face. I'm extremely dry today. Well, always. So I just put moisturizer on a little bit ago, and then I'm just putting the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist Spray on my face. I am breaking out like crazy down here, and I'm stupid and just picked it before filming. That makes sense, right? Anybody else ever do that? Pick your makeup because you're just or pick your face because you're looking at it, and then realize you have to put stuff on, and it's now open, and yeah. Anyways, all right, so the way I've been applying this is just with a sponge. So I'm gonna do that again today. So just put a couple of pumps on the back. Should I try it with the brush on the other side? Yeah, let's do that, just curiosity. So now the other side, I'm gonna paint it on. And then I'm gonna use my Laura Lee Los Angeles L11 brush and pat it out. I've actually never used a brush with it. Surprisingly, whoa, I think it actually looks better on the brush side. I feel like on the brush side, I do actually have a little bit, just a little bit more coverage, not too big of a difference, but I feel like the brush side definitely pushed it into my skin more, whereas I feel like this side, it is still sitting on top of my skin a little bit, so I should have been using a brush this whole time. All right, I'm gonna do more pumps, and I'm now gonna put it kind of like a spot conceal, but with the foundation, just for the spots that I want more coverage. Okay, this is the makeup so far. Definitely is a medium coverage, not full coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the rest of my face, and then we will come back and see what it looks like after. Okay, so my makeup is complete. Holy shit, that just took me 20 minutes. What? I'm getting fast at this. Real quick, in case you're curious, my lips is the lip liner from Dominique Cosmetics in the shade Crush. And then the lip is Hank & Henry in the shade Lust. How cute is this packaging? I got it in a BoxyCharm, like, ugh. And then this is so trippy. It's like pink glitter, but then it's really, oh, this color. I love it, it's so cute. Anyways, let's talk makeup. I mean, foundation. Also tell me what you think of my under eyes, just out of curiosity. I've been trying out the Kat Von D Good Apple concealer. I literally put it back in the package. I'm trying to decide if I should do a whole video on it, but anyways, that's the concealer. So this is the foundation with everything said and done. Obviously, it is still medium coverage. I can still see my skin through it in a lot of places. Obviously the zits are not covered, but they do look pretty good and pretty blurred. Like, they're obviously dark in pigment from pigment, but I think it looks really, really good. I have been working a bunch. I've been doing like 12-hour days and weekends and stuff, so I haven't really had a good time to sit down to film the beginning of this and film the end at the end of the day. So with that being said, I did film a small little clip on my iPhone last night of the makeup after 9 hours. So I will include 9, just kidding, after 11 hours. So I'll go ahead and include the clip here just so you can see it, but I'm gonna actually pull it up while I show you so I can remember. So if you can see, I feel like my makeup still looks the exact same as the morning. It literally just looks like it does now. I fucking love this foundation. I am definitely a full coverage person, so I would prefer it to be a little bit more coverage, but this does not claim to be full coverage. It claims to be medium coverage. And honestly, if I wasn't breaking out so bad as I am right now, I wouldn't have a problem with this coverage. It's just, again, personal preference, the fact that I'm breaking out. All of it combined makes me wish it was a little bit more full coverage, but I love the finish. I actually love it for being medium coverage. This is amazing. I don't have anything else to say. I love it. It's amazing. It looks the same after a 12-hour shift. Like, and yes, I still have a really bad dry nose, but I notice it does not cling as bad to my dry nose as other stuff does. So I love this foundation. I definitely recommend it for dry skin. So if you were thinking about getting it, I highly, highly recommend it. But anyways, that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.